Hello, everyone. Welcome back in Eben and Dre toys video. Okay, we have new toys here. We have new toys, Eben. Smile. Okay, we have new toys here. What is this? This is Toy Story. We have the new Toy Story here. We have Buzz Lightyear and who is he? Who is she? Jessie. Jessie, yes. Okay. Oh no. This is Woody. This is Woody. Okay. Sorry. This is Woody, the new Toy Story. And this is from Shenyang. Yes, this is from Shenyang. We have plastic bag, not in the box. Look. Okay, which one will go to open it first, Eben? Woody, open it, Eben. You open the Woody, and I open the Buzz Lightyear. Let's go, open it, Eben. Boom! Oh, nice, Eben. We have the clear parts. Eben, look. Nice. Open it, Eben.
The head is so small.
Yes.
Maybe I can see the head.
Nice. This is the manual paper, the instruction.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Na 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 na. Okay, this is Woody and the Buzz Lightyear. Okay, let's build the figure first. This is Buzz Lightyear. Look, it has great printing. Nice.
Wow,
Shenyang
so
did a great job here for the printing, like this, and the wing. Nice. Buzz Lightyear. Oh, he has a grumpy face. What's wrong with his grumpy face? Nice.
I have one.
Nice. It's Woody and Buzz. What is it?
What is this?
Look,
Maybe it's just like this.
the printing so perfect. I like it. Okay. Finish the job of Buzz Lightyear. This is Buzz Lightyear. Awesome printing, nice front and back, so awesome. It has a grumpy, angry face of Buzz. Look, angry face. And we have here the Woody. Also has a grumpy, sad face. Why Woody? Maybe he has
One piece.
got only 2 fish fishing. This is small diorama
Like this.
of fishing Woody. And we have here the extra parts from 2 back hands as always. And we have plates, base plates for collection, for figure collection. Nice. And we have rocket
Yay.
from Buzz small set. Nice parts, nice printing here. What is this? Big one? Really? A big one? Boom! Rocket. Okay, Ben. There we go. our new toys of Woody and Buzz Lightyear. Nice. From San Yuan Toys. It's a bootleg fake brands from Lego called San Yuan World Minifigures. Collect them all, of course. Nice. Okay, Ben. Here you go. Your new Buzz and Woody.
It's too small.
Yes, it's too small. We have 8 of them. We open the 2 first. Okay. See you next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Just like the hail.
On Eben and Dre Toys video. Bye bye, Eben.
Bye.
Bye bye, Buzz. Bye. Bye bye, Woody. Bye.
What is this?